Hey everybody, it's your boy Slim William Games here, back with another video for you. Today we are playing Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. We are in VR mode. I got my MetaQuest 3 headset. So we are in VR. And we are in the helicopter, and we are in Los Angeles, downtown Los Angeles, I think by the international airport. So yeah, we're gonna check this out. Let's go to ready to fly. Let's get this bad boy up in the air. And oh man, this is cool.
Phoenix approach, Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra is type. 1 mile south of Kilo,
says
4 Mike 1 Whiskey,
welcome.
400 feet. Request flight following.
Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra.
This is my first
Phoenix
time
approach.
flying a helicopter,
Squawk
guys.
1762.
Man, this is so
Squawk
realistic.
1762, X-Ray Golf Sierra.
I wish I
X-Ray
had
Golf
like
Sierra.
the flight stick.
Radar contact 1 mile south of Kilo 4 Mike 1 Whiskey, 600 feet. Altimeter 2992.
But let's see
Roger.
if we can get this
X-Ray
thing
Golf
going.
Sierra.
See, I wish I had the Alright. So okay, that's how you whoa. Okay, that's how you turn the bad boy. Alright. So yeah, we are downtown. Man, this is cool. I was trying to fly this thing over Vegas, but wow, we are high up. But alright, so let's see if we can move. I'm used to flying planes and stuff. I gotta get used to flying the helicopter. So let's go this way. But I hope you guys are having a great day today. I know I haven't been filming a lot lately, but I've been busy with work and stuff like that. So, yeah, let's see what we can see. Now, I was watching a video earlier today on YouTube, and they was talking about like sim racing and stuff like that, and I was looking up what was called the Tracker IR5, or the Tobii Eye Tracker. Yeah, the Tobii Eye Tracker. Now, years and years ago, I had the Tracker i5, right? Now, the Tracker i5 is pretty old, right? It's really, really old. But they came out with the updated one, which is called the Tobii Eye Tracker. And as I was looking at it earlier, right, I was thinking about getting one, but at the same time, and I was going to get one for mainly VR. I mean, not VR, but get one for Microsoft Flight Simulator and American Truck Simulator. But then I thought about it. I said, well, I have a VR headset. I really don't need the Tracker IR5 or the Tobii Eye Tracker, because the VR is so immersive, man. I mean, I'm literally in a helicopter in VR flying over Los Angeles. This is crazy. Would it be more crazy if I had like the motion control? Oh shit! If I had like the motion controls, like that'd be like the actual motion simming rig. That'd be crazy. Alright, so let's see if we can fly. as I'm talking. But yeah, we're flying over LA. I should have went to Vegas. That way I could actually see better, see some things. But I mean, this is cool, man. To do this in VR, man, is so freaking awesome. And it's so weird doing this, right? I mean, I'm literally looking outside of the thing, and I'm thinking I'm about to fall, right? That's why I wish I had like the motion sim part to actually like the rumbles and stuff in the sea. Oh man, that'd be sick. So let's head this way. I'm trying to move faster in this thing. Man, this is cool. Oh shit! And I even now I'm feeling like that. I'm feeling that motion sickness right now, like that feeling, right? That's why I'm like, bro, if you can get the VR, man, if you can get this, bro, it is worth it. Again, I tried Tracker II5. Now I never tried the Tobii Eye Tracker, but there's no way in hell it could beat VR. The Tobii Eye Tracker, I don't care how much it is. I mean, I don't care how cheap it is compared to buying a VR headset and all of that. It would never beat VR, man, because this is so crazy. I'm trying to see where all the action is. I think it's shit. Like I'm literally freaking shaking it when this helicopter moves up and down. Man, look how beautiful this thing looks, guys. I know I'm probably flying this helicopter all wrong, but hey, man, I never flown a helicopter before, so. I said all I'm missing is the rumbles and stuff. We might go to Vegas after this. I might fly over Vegas because I actually want to see. But I do want to check out LA. See what it's all about. Oh shit! Oh crap! Okay, straighten her up. Alright, so we can get lower.
X-Ray Golf Sierra contact SoCal approach on 124.5. Good day.
124.5. X-Ray Golf Sierra.
Alright, let's get this bird up in there. I'm trying to get a little low so we can see everything. And the reason why I should have picked Vegas is because of the course, like the nightlife. I mean, LA is nice too, don't get me wrong, but you can really see everything pop out when you're like flying. I mean, look at the houses, dude, when you're flying over Vegas. This is so crazy. Look at that. Look at that base. Yo, man, this is crazy. Man, this is sick. I have no idea where's Disneyland at and Universal Studios.
Phoenix approach. Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra, 600 feet.
I would love
Alpha
to fly
Sierra
over
X-Ray
like
Golf Sierra.
Disney and Walt Disney
Altimeter
World
29 or
or
2.
Disneyland
Radar
and all of that. That's why I want to get over here
X-ray
so I
Golf
can
Sierra
kind of
contact SoCal approach on 124.5. Good
get to
day.
the action. And the reason also I like
Going to
flying in a helicopter is
124.5.
because,
X-ray Golf Sierra.
yeah, a plane is a lot faster. You can, certain planes you get is a lot quicker, but you can see more and actually view things better in the helicopter versus the versus the plane, because you're moving so fast. So you got to kind of take your time. But the helicopter, man, you can just glide over stuff. Forum? Chase? Okay. Oh, this is so cool. Alright, trying to get over to where all the action is. See some things. But right now I'm flying over trees. I would love to see like the Hollywood sign. Man, this helicopter can move stupid fast, bro. Like, come on, bro. Move a little quicker. I'm trying to get this helicopter to move fast. Alright, they go downtown Los Angeles right there, so let's head towards that. Look at the mountains. Man, this is so nice. And you guys getting a whole tour for free. Man, hopefully we can get over to the downtown area. Oh, crap, if I don't crash. Nope, get this bird up. Wow, this is so freaking cool. And this is like the real time too. That's what I love. I'm using like the real time because this is what time it is like right now. So it's still daylight. I'm over on the East Coast, so it's like pitch black dark. Man. Wow. Alright. Come on, let's get over to LA. Let's get to downtown LA. Come on, move a little faster, chopper. Man, Microsoft Flight 2024 looks so much better and clearer than the original 2020. And look, 2020 was good. 2020 was good. At the time, I couldn't even run Microsoft Flight 2020. I had a horrible gaming desktop. Looking back at it, then I ended up buying a piece of crap. See, that was before I actually knew, far as, because when I got into PC gaming, right, way before I got into VR and stuff like that, when I got into PC gaming, I didn't realize how much PC gaming cost, right? PC gaming cost a lot of money because, man, you got graphics cards, CPUs, and all sorts of stuff, man. Like, so when I got this game, I mean, yeah, okay, it wasn't optimized great because a lot of people couldn't run this game at first. It just wasn't optimized great. But, man, to run this on the 4080 Super, i7 14700K in VR, like this, and I'm down to like the ground. Oh, man, this is beautiful. Man. So we getting close to the downtown area. Copilot interact. Yeah, okay, I don't know what that means. I just want to get towards downtown. And like, for those who are like, okay, if you're having a rough day at work or a long day at work, man, just hop in the VR, hop on Microsoft Flight or American Truck Simulator, go for a drive or just go for a nice flight, man, clear your mind. You get to hear the helicopter blaze, the plane, blaze running. It's a nice, just a nice, refreshing, relaxing flight. Flying over LA or flying over the world, pretty much. Just nice, and and relaxing. So we're getting towards down LA. I have no idea where Disneyland or any of that crap is. I mean, not crap, any of that stuff is. It's around here somewhere, but I don't know. Man, this looks so clear. Man, this looks so cool. And look at LA, man. Look how busy it is, bro. Like, look how many cars and lights. I don't see no cars right now. Maybe get down and look at the street. Man, here we are, downtown LA, guys and gals. Wow. Wow, this is nice. And I heard American Truck Simulator is now updating a lot of stuff. They're updating their gaming, right? They're trying to make it more modest, and more, which they need to. I mean, that game been out since what, 2016? Like, it need to be some serious updates with that. I mean, guys, look, downtown LA, boys. Wow. And that's what I'm saying, guys. If you're confused about what to get as far as like with a GPU and you don't want to spend that much money, dude, get a 4080 Super. I keep saying this all the time.
Approach. Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra is type 1 miles northeast of Kilo Whiskey 5, Mike Echo, 1,000 feet.
Bro,
Request flight following.
Get a 4080 Super, bro, because you can.
Golf Sierra, SoCal approach. Squawk 0561.
You can, man.
Squawk 0561. X-Ray Golf Sierra.
Wow, this is so nice. This is so cool.
X-Ray Golf Sierra. Radar contact 1 miles northeast of Kilo 0, Mike Juliet, Quebec, 900 feet. Altimeter 29992.
Alright, we're going to go ahead and land. So I'm going to find me a good spot
Roger.
to land.
X-Ray Golf Sierra.
Man, I don't want to fly all over LA now. It's a big ass city. But I would love to see where like Disney World is and all of that. That'd be cool. Okay, we're gonna try to land this bird. Hopefully we don't. Okay. And boom. There you go, crash landing. Alright, so we are flown over LA. It is your boy, Slim William Games, flown over LA in a helicopter in VR. I will catch you guys in the next episode. Let me know in the comments where you want me to fly to next. We may do Las Vegas, we may do Miami, wherever. If you want to go see me do this in a fast ass plane or a jet or whatever you want to see, guys, leave a comment Now I'll catch you guys in the next video. Smash that like button and subscribe button. And I am out. Peace. Let's go.
SoCal approach. Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra is type 1 mile south of 2 Charlie November 6, 600 feet. Request flight following.
Alpha Sierra X-Ray.
Squawk 7157, X-Ray Golf Sierra.
X-Ray Golf Sierra. Radar contact 1 miles northwest of Kilo Lima Niner Whiskey 1, 7.
Wow, that was cool. Rage?